Welcome to everybody. Today we will discuss about the our new topic, that is the model 2. The name of that model 2 is the interactions of nuclear radiations with matter and elementary particles. So I want to introduce here, that is our second important aspect of these syllabi, that is the elementary particles. So first point of that elementary particles is nothing but the classification of elementary particles. The elementary particles are separated into two general groups called as the bosons and fermions. These two groups have the different types of spin and their behavior is controlled respectively by a different kind of statics. That is bosons, nothing but the Bose statics, or fermions, that is nothing but the Fermi statics. So first of all we see what is the bosons and fermions. The bosons are the particle with intrinsic angular momentum equal to an integral multiple of H cross. That means spin integral multiple. Then fermions. These fermions are all those particles in which the spin is half integral. That means it is nothing but the spin half integrals. The most important difference between the two classes of particle, that is the no conservation law controlling the total number of bosons in the universe, whereas the total number of fermions is strictly conserved. I want to repeat here. No conservation law controlling the total number of bosons in the universe, whereas the total number of fermions is strictly conserved. Now let us move with the step by step. First we see the bosons. The bosons is a term which not only includes material particle but also includes those quanta and photons which arises from interactions. It's a simple. The bosons which not only includes the material particle but also includes those quanta and photons which arises from interactions. It is simple. It's not only material particle but also quanta and photons. So the photons we know all about. The photon has the zero mass. The mass of the photons is zero and it's a spin of unity. So it is consequently described as a massless bosons. These massless bosons is called as the gravitons. So these bosons created by a field interactions. It's a simply bosons are created by the field interactions are essentially of one kind, while bosons formed in the strong interactions, and these strong interactions are the two distinct kind. First one, that is called as the pions or pi mesons. Second group, that is the kaons are called as the k mesons and the eta naught mesons. So it is all about the bosons. Now just a recap about the bosons. The bosons, it is the half spin integral, that is H cross, sorry, it is not the half spin, it is the spin integral multiple of H cross. It includes in the photons, gravitons. Photons has the no mass, it is the zero of mass, and massless bosons is called as the gravitons. These bosons are formed in the strong interactions. These are the two distinct kinds. One is the pi mesons, another one is the k mesons, and the eta naught mesons. Now in that pi mesons, that is pi plus, pi naught, pi minus, and k mesons, that is k plus, k minus, k naught, and k naught bar. Now is here in that PPT, the bar is not shown clearly, but we see carefully such kind of the bar is at the upper side of k naught in the last one. So move towards the fermions. The fermions falls into the two main classes according to their light or heavy conditions. Those are in the lighter group are called as the leptons. That means this is in the lightweight conditions. While those are in the heavier group called as the baryons. Now move with the leptons. The leptons are the electrons, muons, tau, mesons, and respectively neutrons and their antiparticles. We see here that is electron E plus E minus, that is muons mu plus mu minus, that is tau, tau plus tau minus, and nuons, that is nu plus and nu minus. So these leptons are interacted weakly with other particles. So listen carefully. These leptons particles which is interacts with the weakly with other particles, and one of the important, please listen carefully, the total number of leptons minus total number of antileptons remain unchanged in all reactions and decay process involving leptons and antileptons. So further move towards the baryons. So let us move. The baryons consist of the two nucleons with their antiparticles. It's a simple nucleons. What is in that nucleus? That is protons as well as the neutrons. It is simply here the p plus p naught, n naught bar. So second one, that is the hyperons. Such one of the important aspects, that is hyperons. The hyperons are the extremely unstable. Hyperons, it is the extremely unstable, somewhat heavier particle and can be divided into the four subgroups. Hyperons extremely unstables and it is divided into the four subgroups. Now the first one, that is lambda. So here such of the symbols is justly wrong. The lambda naught is there. First the just 0 is left sided, and please put the lambda is at the right side. That is lambda naught particles. Second one, that is sigma particles. That is called as the sigma hyperons. That is these the sigma particles with the masses range in the 1189 to 1197s. So second one, that is the KSI hyperons. These KSI hyperons, that is masses in between the 1321 and 1315 mega electron volt per c square. And the last one, that is the omega hyperons. These omega hyperons, these particles having the masses 1672 mega electron volt per c square. The another one aspect, that is the total number of baryons minus total number of antibaryons is absolutely observed in all interactions. The cations and pions. The cations and pions together with the baryons are placed into a group strong interactions particles, that is called as the hadrons. Now see the last one image, please. In that last one image, the total elementary particles are shows how it is distributed. So elementary particle, bosons, fermions, boson further divided, that is photon, gravitons, and another pions, kaons, and eta mesons, and the fermions, that is leptons, baryons, and all about these. Such one of these diagram I show here, that is KSI symbols, which is not clearly shown our diagram, but I want to show here, that is KSI symbols. It is all about the classifications of elementary particles. So thank you guys. Have a nice day.